Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you have any of the following two codes, guys, that I'm talking about, P0128 or P0126, stay with us, guys, and we'll explain what can cause you to have those codes. And most of the times it indicates that the engine temperature, the engine coolant is not warm enough, for stable engine operation, which means that it leads towards a bad thermostat, right? But it could be something else, guys, and make sure you stay until the end, because many of you ask me, I replace the thermostat and I still get that code. So stay with us and we're going to discuss that today. Quick introduction, guys, we will have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful and you will be able to fix your problem. Now, this is, guys, Chevy Cruze. Doesn't matter which engine you have, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, even the diesel engine, the procedure is about the same, guys. What is causing now these codes? These codes indicate, that the engine coolant is not getting to the normal operating temperature. And let's say, depending on the thermostat and your settings, it could be like 90 degrees Celsius, and this is probably about 185 to 190 Fahrenheit, something like that. And if it's below that temperature for a very long time after driving on the highway, the computer will register, will activate the engine light and will say, hey, we have a problem. The coolant is not warm enough for stable operation, which means that the gas will not be burning efficient, you will be using more fuel and you will be releasing more emissions in the atmosphere. So that's why you will get that code. This is, guys, your thermostat right here. So you remove the thermostat, you replace it, you started driving the car, and let's say 500 miles down the road, you get again that code, especially on a cold winter day. What causes that now, guys? Even though you replace the thermostat, you still get the code. So that could indicate, guys, that you have a problem somewhere else. And that problem, guys, could be, because the new thermostat is working, it could be the coolant temperature sensor, which is located, down there. This is your coolant temperature sensor. If that sensor is bad, what will happen? It will actually, guys, send information to the computer, to the car computer right here, and say, we think the coolant, is this temperature, but it's actually a different temperature, and as a result, guys, it may send the wrong temperature. Let's say the coolant is 90 degrees Celsius, or let's say about 190 Fahrenheit, but the sensor is reading only about 60, or let's say 150 Fahrenheit. What will happen, guys? The computer will give you a problem and we will turn the engine light on and tell you there is a problem. It will think that the sensor is good, but the sensor may not send the correct information. So that's why you have to, guys, replace your coolant temperature sensor. Now, I'll recommend to get the whole assembly. We'll have the link in the description of the video below where you can get the whole thermostat with the sensor, or you can buy the sensor only. Check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. That's the scanner that we're using. You can check it out in the description of the video below. That can pay itself off in one-time use, and you can do so much, not just on Chevy Cruze, on any car. You can read codes from the engine computer, ABS, traction control, and airbag computers as well. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.